Hey, welcome back. I don't know, fiddled with the sound again. Here we go. No idea. Where's my wall? Let's see. I guess this is Maze 14 of 19. Let's see. We have things falling, portals and drowning and things. Okay, this ought to be good. What is this thing here? What are we doing here?
Centennial high-energy gamma leaking portal technology must be implemented of applicable regulatory sciences. No further compliance information is required or will be provided, and you are exit test subject.
I didn't think so. Okay, what do we gotta do? Okay, I don't know if I like that idea or not. Okay, we have a... That looks interesting, doesn't it? Okay, we have a falling pit something there. And a cube up there. So how... Let's see, what do we have? Let's see. I really don't know here. I don't know. This is interesting. Can't really. What happens if I go there? Alright, what do I see? That was close. That wasn't bad. Let's try this. Something like that again. How about that? Let's see. Ooh. Not quite right. May have to do some kind of a something like this. Okay. Nice. Alright. that was pretty good. Uh-oh. There we go. That was pretty interesting. That wasn't bad. Let's see what we got going on over here. We got a what's going on? Why aren't I going up here? I guess I must go this way. I must. What is this? Oh, I don't like this already. I really don't. Okay. What can I do here? Let's see. Where is okay. Okay, what do I gotta do? Nothing here. I'm following the check mark. What do I gotta do? Okay, I got something to do with this madness here. I don't know. I can get over there like this. Okay, now where's the open up apparatus here? Oh, nice. Way to just shoot myself. Okay. What do you say? Let's keep it running. All right, there we go. So that's that. I honestly, I don't like looking online for cheat codes and things and stuff unless I have to. All right. Unless I get stuck in a spot that's okay, let's see. Okay, alright, let's see. How about we do something like that? gotta get this thing open first, somehow. Really, how do I get this thing open? Only thing there is a hole there. That's all there is. Okay, let's see. Come on, think about this here. Okay, it goes through there. Where does it come out at? Where's the blue hole? What's that? Is it above me? It is. Ah, okay. Yeah. What am I doing over here? I don't want to be over here. What do I do? What do I do? Yeah, I know. I got that. How do I get this thing up here too? Perhaps. Ah, that's right. That's right. This. Okay. Hello. Good morning. They say in England. Okay. Where's the shot here? How's that? Is that a good one there? Let's see. Let's get this just right. How's that grab you? It looks pretty good. That looks pretty good. Okay. Maybe. I don't know, ladies and gentlemen. This is I don't like these long ones like this. Okay, so I got a rocket here. So it won't let me. Wow, this is difficult. It won't let me get over there unless I do this madness. Right. Okay. And then let's see. That's the beautiful. That's the orange one. I want the blue one to be there. Oh no. I want the orange one to be right there.
Very good. A complimentary list and a member.
How'd I do? Did I do it? No. I guess I did it. Okay. I don't know. I wasn't watching. Okay. Okay. Let's get over there. Nice. Oh. I guess I did it. Yeah. How about that? I don't know what I'm doing. It's out of control. There we go. Nice. Hey, woo! Later.